in the last video, we discussed about the exponent and powers. In this video, we will be going to discuss about the surd or radicals. If A under the radical sign of index n is irrational, where A is a rational number, where A is a rational number, and n is a positive integer, then A under the radical sign of index n or A raised to the power 1 by n is called a surd or radical of order n, and A is called radicand. If A under the radical sign of index n is irrational, where A is a rational number and n is a positive integer, then A under the radical sign of index n or A raised to the power 1 by n is called a surd or radical of order n, and A is called a radicand. Means here A is radicand. Now let's move forward. This surd, the surd of order 2 is called, the surd of order 2 is called quadratic or square surd. The surd of order 2 is called quadratic or square surd. The surd of order 3 is called a cubic surd. The surd of order 3 is called a cubic surd. The surd of order 2 is called a quadratic or square surd. Now let's discuss about the simplest form of surd. Surd in simplest form. A surd in its simplest form, has no factor of form b raised to the power 1 by n, where b is a rational number. A surd in its simplest form has no factor of form b raised to the power 1 by n, where b is a rational number. For example, like this is the number. This is the surd which is not in its simplest form. Now to write it in its simplest form, we find its factors. Its factors would be 2 into 6. And 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Now the pair is made of two numbers. So we take out 2. So the simplest form of this is 2, 3 under the radical sign of index 2. Now let's move to the types of surd. Guys, the surd is of two types. First is pure surd and second is mixed surd. Pure surd is a type of surd which do not have factor other than 1, like this, etc. And mixed surd is a type of surd which have factors other than 1. For example, this. Now let's move to a very important topic, that is comparison of two surds. Comparison of surds. Like this is the surd, means 3 under the radical sign of index 2 and 4 under the radical sign of index 3. Suppose these are the two surds and the question is which of them is greater. Now if as we know that both the surds are of order 2 and 3 and their LCM is 6. Now we convert each surd into the order of 6. Like 3 can be written as 1 by 2 into 3 upon 3. And this can be written as 4 1 by 3 into 2 by 2. It would be written as 3 raised to the power 3 by 6. And this would be 4 2 by 6. Now these can be written as 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 1 by 6, and this can be written as 4 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 1 by 6, and this 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 27. This means 1 by 6, and 4 raised to the power 2 means 16. So we compare these. As these are same, so we compare these. As by comparing, we found that 27 1 by 6 greater than 16 1 by 6. So this surd means 2 under the radical sign of index 2 is greater than 4 under the radical sign of index 3. So this was about the comparison of surd. Now there are some laws of surds. Now let's discuss about those laws. Laws of radicals. Laws of radicals. Our first law is A under the radical sign of index n raised to the power n can be written as, it will be expressed as A. For example, 3 under the radical sign of index 4 raised to the power 4, the answer would be 3. A raised to the power A under the radical sign of index n raised to the power n would be as A. And for example, 3 under the radical sign of index 4 raised to the power 4 would be written as 3. Now let's move to our second law. Second law. A under the radical sign of n, which is under the radical sign of index m, means A under the radical sign of index n, which is under the radical sign of index m. It can be written as A under the radical sign of m under the radical sign of A under the radical sign of index m, and which is under the radical sign of index n. Both answer would be same. It would be m into n. Means A under the radical sign of index m into n. For example, Suppose A is 3 and N is 4 and our M is 2. It can be written as 3 under the radical sign of index 2, which is under the radical sign of index 4. This would be expressed as 4 into 2 like this. Means 3 under the radical sign of index 4 into 2 means 3 under the radical sign of index 8. This was our second law. Now let's move to the third law. A into B under the radical sign of index n can be expressed as A under the radical sign of n into B under the radical sign of index n. For example, 3 into 4 under the radical sign of 5. It can be written as 3 under the radical sign of 5 into 4 under the radical sign of 5. Our third law is A into B under the radical sign of index n can be written as A under the radical sign of index n into B under the radical sign of index n. For example, 3 into 4 under the radical sign of index 5 can be written as 3 under the radical sign of index 5 into 4 under the radical sign of index 5. Now let's move to our next law. Means fourth law. A upon B under the radical sign of n. This can be written as A under the radical sign of index n upon B under the radical sign of index n. For example, 2 by 3 under the radical sign of 4. This can be written as 2 under the radical sign of 4 upon 3 under the radical sign of 4. Our fourth law is A upon B under the radical sign of index n can be written as A under the radical sign of index n upon B under the radical sign of index n. For example, 2 by 3 under the radical sign of index 4 can be written as 2 under the radical sign of 4 upon 3 under the radical sign of index 4. Now let's move to our last law, that is fifth law. A under the radical sign of n raised to the power m. This would be A raised to the power m under the radical sign of index m. For example, A is 3 under the radical sign of index 4 and m is 5. So let's take it 2. So 3 square under the radical sign of n, this would be, and this can be expressed as 3 square under the radical sign of index 4. Our fourth law is means it would be like this. Our fifth law is A under the radical sign of index n raised to the power m is equal to A raised to the power m under the radical sign of index n. For example, 3 under the radical sign of index 4 raised to the power 2 can be written as 3 square under the radical sign of 4 of index 4 means 9 under the radical sign of index 4. With this our laws of radicals completes. Now let's move to some examples. Our first example is 18 under the radical sign and plus 50 under the radical sign minus 32 under the radical sign. 18 can be written as 2 into 9 under the radical sign and 9 can be written as 3 into 3 plus 50 can be written as 2 into 25 under the radical sign and 25 can be written as 5 into 5 and 32 can be written as 2 into 2 4 4 into 2 6 4 into 8 8 into 2 16 16 into 2 32. Now let's make the pair. So in this pair 3 will come out and in this pair 5 will come out and in this pair 4 would come out inside. Now 5 plus 3 8 minus 4 under the radical sign, and the answer would be 4 under the 2 under the radical sign of index 4. So it is the answer of our first question. Now let's move to the second question, which is very simple. Which surd is greatest? The order of the surds is 3 and 4. So the LCM would be 12. Now let's convert each of the surds into the order of 12. This can be written as 2 1 by 3 into 4 by 4. And this can be written as 5 1 by 4 into 3 by 3. This would be 4 upon 12, and this would be 5 3 upon 12. Now these can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 1 by 12, and this can be written as 5 raised to the power 3. This would be answer would be 16 raised to the power 1 by 12, and x would be 125 raised to the power 1 by 12. As these are same, we compare these. 16 is smaller than 125, so this surd means this 4 is greater than 2 under the radical sign of index 3. So this was the answer of our second question. Thanks for watching this video.